I need to buy a few pens and a notebook. There is a stationery store right there. Stationery? I think there is a mistake. Why? Stationery means something not moving. This monument is stationary. I see. And stationery means things such as paper, pens, and pencils. Exactly. Same pronunciation, different meanings. Hello and welcome to English Lessons with Kate. I'm Kate and today we're going to talk about confusing words in English. These words can be confusing even to native speakers. Let's start. Let's look at these two words. Compliment, compliment. One word is spelled with an E and the other is spelled with an I. They're pronounced exactly the same. Compliment. Compliment, to say something nice to someone. For example, you can say to your friend, "You look great in that jacket." You compliment them. Another example, I received a nice compliment from my teacher.
A compliment is something nice about somebody else.
Compliment, when something goes well with something else, to make something perfect, to complete, to make it better. We can say, the red shoes complement her dress perfectly. The wine is a great complement to the meal. Take a look at these words. Principal, principal. They're pronounced exactly the same. A principal is the head of a school. For example, the school principal gave a speech at the assembly. A principle is a moral rule. It's a belief about what is right and what is wrong. For example, honesty is an important principle in our family. Another example, I won't cheat on my partner because it's against my principles.
So, if we want to protect our national security, we should be protecting that principle.
But the same principle could be applied to the earth.
Duel, duel. These words are pronounced exactly the same. Duel with an E is a fight with weapons between two people. This is something people did in the past. The knights fought a duel with swords. Dual means involving two elements or two parts. For example, she has dual citizenship in the US and Canada. This phone has a dual camera.
Well, I got a dual headphone adapter if you want to watch a movie.
The next pair of words is counsel, counsel. My students always confuse these two words. The pronunciation is exactly the same. Council, it's spelled with C-I-L. That means a group of people chosen to make rules or decisions. For example, the city council, the student council. The local council is responsible for public services.
You are on this council, but we do not grant you the rank of master.
What?
Counsel with an S is advice or guidance. It's kind of legal advice. The lawyer gave her client wise counsel. She offered her friend emotional counsel after a difficult time. Let's look at these two words. Stationery, stationery. One of them is with an AR and the other is with an ER. If something is stationary, it stays in the same position in one place. He stood stationary during the photo shoot.
You like running full speed towards a stationary object? Vault's for you.
This word is spelled with ERY. This means a writing material, paper, envelopes, pens, and office supplies. For example, the store sells colorful stationery. What about these words? Brake, brake. A brake is a device used to slow down or stop something like a car. It is a noun. For example, I used the brake to stop my bike. To break means to smash or damage something. It is a verb. For example, be careful, don't break the glass. The second meaning is to take a rest. Let's take a break after work.
Maybe we should take a break.
Take a break from worrying about what you can't control.
Let's look at these two words, coarse, coarse. One word is spelled with an A and the other is spelled with an U. They're pronounced exactly the same, coarse. Coarse is an adjective and it means something that is rough, thick, or not smooth. For example, the towel feels coarse on my skin because it's not soft.
Grass is much too coarse for a good-looking girl like me.
Let's look at the next word, course. The first meaning is a path or direction something takes. For example, the ship changed its course to avoid the storm. The second meaning is a series of lessons you take to learn something. She signed up for a cooking course to learn new recipes. Course is also can be a part of a meal. For example, the first course of the meal was soup, followed by the main dish. And last but not least pair of words is canvas, canvas. Same pronunciation, different meanings. Canvas is a strong fabric, a strong material used to make tents, bags, or shoes. It also refers to a painting surface. He painted a sunset on the canvas. The word canvas with a double S is a verb, to canvas, and the past form is canvassed. To canvass means to go around asking people for opinions, votes, support, or information. It's often used in politics and fundraising. Local groups canvassed voters before election day. We will canvass the neighborhood to gather signatures for the petition.
Do we need to canvass the entire area? Check boat rentals?
To canvass the neighborhood, start asking questions.
Please remember, if canvas has one S, it's a noun. If it has two S's, it's a verb, and the meaning is totally different. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and click that notification bell down below so you'll never miss any of my new videos. If you like my content, you can send me a super thanks. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below this video. You can contact me on Instagram where I post a lot of useful content. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!